how to send live location on WhatsApp. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Do you want to share your live location on WhatsApp but don't know how? If yes, then you are watching the right video. Without further ado, let's get started. Open WhatsApp on your device. You will land on the chat section. Select a conversation or group chat where you want to share your live location. Once you are on the chat, tap on the attachment icon available at the bottom. A menu will appear. Tap on the option for location. Then WhatsApp will ask for location permission. Tap continue, then tap while using the app. After that, you may get a message that says GPS is disabled. Make sure to enable GPS or location from your device setting. To do that, swipe down from the top of your screen, then enable location or GPS from your quick settings. Now you will be able to access the same location page. For privacy reasons, I have hidden my map. Over here, you will see the option to share live location. Tap on it. A pop-up menu will appear. Make sure to read the message, then tap continue. Now select your preferred duration for how long you want to share your live location. That is 15 minutes, 1 hour or 8 hours. I will select 15 minutes. If you wish, you can also add a comment while sharing your live location. For example, I will write, "Here's my live location." Finally, tap the send button. As you can see, my exact live location has been shared in the chat. If you want, you can even stop sharing your live location before the selected time ends. Otherwise, WhatsApp will automatically stop sharing your live location once your selected duration is over. For example, after 15 minutes, WhatsApp will stop sharing my live location. And there you have it. You have successfully shared your live location on WhatsApp. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.